Next, we are going to look into how can we create a calculated field in a query. So what we would go back to is to our client database. I want to know how much have my client spent or engaged in contract. Okay. So I would just go to query design, choose on client table, close this, client number, client name, amount paid, current due. Now I want to put the total amount here, so what I will do is right click on it and you look at this build, select on build, and you would have this expression builder. What you can do is you can select on commercially client tables client. So I want to have double click on amount paid plus with current due. Okay, and I will call it, instead of expression 1, I'll call it total. Okay, and when I go back to view, what I would say is I'm having the amount paid added together with the total. That will give me my new column. So there are a few things that we want to change here. First of all, you do observe that some of it is in $sign, some of it is in RM. Now, I have questions from students asking me how do I change the RM ringgit to the $sign. One of the way you can do it is to go back to your view and you look at your property. If your property sheet is not showing, then you make sure that your cursor is clicked on the correct column. You click on property sheet and format, instead of currency, you just do $sign, hash sign, comma, and then another 2 hash sign and 0.00. What does this mean? It means that if I have 0 value, what will show up is $sign 0.00. So that's it. Whoops. Let's say try again. Okay, and let's just run it and you would see it appearing here. The next thing that we want to do is to change the caption. For example, instead of having amount paid and current due here, I would just want to put it as paid and due. What I do is go back to view, design view, select on the column due, and I just put due here. And the next, select on the column amount paid, and the caption should be paid. And it's done. Go back to view and you will see paid and due here. We can also generate a report from our query. Let's just save this and call it calculated fields total. Okay, now we have this. We can create a report, and from this you see your report is exactly whatever that you have from your query. Client number, client name, paid, due, and total. Let's just save both together. You try it out.